Today we are visiting the biggest lake in Southeast Asia called Tonle Sap Lake. At the moment it is the perfect time to visit it because it is the end of rainy season, so the lake is about 5 times as big as usual. It is known for the floating village or the village on stilts and also the floating forest. So since it's the perfect time that I'm here, I must go. We will also see the sunset from the boat on the lake. I booked a tour through my hostel Mad Monkey and I was picked up by a minivan. If you want to do this excursion by yourself, you can hire a tuk-tuk to take you to the boats near Kampong Pluk and back. This village can be reached by car in the dry season, but in the rainy season you can only get to it by boat. The lake is then 5 times the size of Singapore. We then got on a boat which had a platform on top as well and set off to explore the floating village. After visiting the floating markets near Bangkok, I was skeptical about the experience. After all, that was just a big souvenir market. It quickly became clear that this place was nothing like that. This was an authentic local village with its own police station, a school, and even a hospital. We visited a local family and they showed us how people live in this village. This house is home to an entire family from grandparents to grandkids. That's the case until the sons and daughters have enough money to build a house of their own. It was fascinating to see that even in a house on stilts, they have a proper kitchen, a bathroom, a water tank, and even electricity. Tonle Sap Lake is one of the top 4 fishery production areas in the world. This means that aside from tourism, fishing is the main income for this village. You can see lots of fishermen going about their business. Next up, we made our way to the flooded mangroves. Although the boat we were on was a peaceful ride already, it was even more peaceful to get paddled through the floating forest. We did pass by some people trying to sell you stuff. They asked to buy the guide something or buy books for the children. But our tour guide told us not to feel pressured to buy anything if we didn't want to. We paddled a bit further into the village and the people seemed genuinely really happy to see you. They are smiling and waving at you, and you'll find the children in particular are very friendly and inquisitive. It definitely did not feel like a human zoo, but a welcome, authentic visit. I love seeing how the people live here. I loved the smaller boat tour, but apparently a guy lost his camera because it was eaten by a crocodile.
Hello, this is Todd, the tour guide.
A lovely tour guide. Next up, the boat made it to the actual lake and we were joined by very few other boats to watch a beautiful sunset over the lake. As it got darker, we made our way back and I took it all in. The pink clouds, the people's lights turning on, and the people getting dinner ready in their houses after work. This really has been the local experience that I was missing at the floating markets in Bangkok. I'm so glad that I did this excursion, and the sunset was so amazing. We were so lucky. It really was an amazing experience, and we then got back to the van and drove back to the city. The tour also included some cold water, which was nice. that is it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss any of the other Asia videos, not only Cambodia but Thailand and Malaysia as well. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!